Hello friends, my name is Dr. Bharat Chandra. Don't miss this video. See this video completely. Put a spectacles, goggles, because you need to concentrate on the video. Plus, my suggestion, put Fevicol on your chair. Don't get up for the next few minutes until the video is complete. Very important information. Those of you who have taken my workshop, I've already started SIP into stocks. Feel very happy after this video. For those of you who have not taken my workshop and those viewers who are watching me for the first time, you will have a funny sensation in the stomach that I should have taken Dr. Bharat Chandra's workshop much earlier. Should have started investing much earlier. Today I'm going to speak to you about 5 shares and how you would have benefited by making an SIP into those shares. One share I will go in detail, rest of them I'm going to run through fast. For example, Titan shares. Right from 2000, rate was 2.62 rupees. 2.62 rupees. And then what I'm saying is, let us imagine you decided to invest in Titan every year only in October. Every year only in October, rupees 10,000. And about 5 or 6 shares means 60,000 rupees. 60,000 rupees anybody can invest per annum. Even a normal household can also invest. So now look at this. 2000, 2 rupees 62 paisa. 2001, 1 rupee 61 paisa. 2002, again 2 rupees 81 paisa. 2003, 594, and 2005 appreciated to almost 25 rupees. 2017, 634, 2020, 1241 rupees. Somebody who has invested 1 rupee 61 paisa, now getting 1241 rupees. Can you believe the profits? Now look at the next slide. Yearly investment 10,000 every October. Total investment 2.1 lakh. Current value, if you sell the Titan shares, 2.22 crores, and it has worked out to 37.80 per annum. Now I am running through the whole slide. Havells India would have got 1.52 crores for an investment of 2 lakhs, working out to 37.35%. Asian Paint works out to 24.23%. You would have got 38.9 lakhs. State Bank of India investment 2.1 lakh. Today 6.08 lakhs, and it would have worked out to 9.6% per annum. And ITC and SBI recently not doing well. In ITC, it would have fetched you 7.40 lakhs, and it would have worked out to 11.2% per annum. Same money, same conditions. If you had put it in post office, fixed deposits, recurring deposit, public provident fund, or employees provident fund, assuming that they would give average returns of 8% per annum, for an investment of 2.1 lakh, you would have received only 5.04 lakhs. Can you see the difference, my dear friends? I have about 9 observations to tell you regarding my research today. First one, any household in India, middle class household, can comfortably save approximately 60,000 per annum because everybody in the family is working. Second, the money invested is only in the month of October every year, 10,000 rupees. Third one, there is a significant fluctuation in the acquisition cost of the shares every year. Fourth one, in many years you started investing. 3 years later, the price of the stock had come down less than what you had invested 3 years earlier. So that is a dangerous thing for you to think to continue to invest. Fifth one, having faith and having done fundamental analysis, if you continue with those companies, you are getting this significant, wonderful results. Sixth observation, having continued to invest in some companies like ITC and SBI, which are recently not doing well, still you got profits. Seventh observation is you have to monitor your shares once in 3 months, once in 6 months for their fiscal health. And if you have done it, change some of these stocks to better ones, you would have not got this result, would have got better results. Eighth observation, this is the result of last 20 years. Suppose you would continue for 25, 30 years, doubling 4 times, 5 times money you will get. Ninth observation, in the magic of compounding, in the later stages of investment, the money keeps on doubling once in 5 or 6 years. And now I have put the summary. For example, if you had invested like what Dr. Bharat Chandra said in the workshop, you would have invested 10.5 lakhs in the last 20 years, and today your investment would fetch you upon selling 4.27 crores. I repeat, 4.27 crores. Amazing profits at the rate of average 24.04%, though the stock market is currently not doing well. In the next few days, I am going to calculate the profits of SIP payments of the following 5 stocks: HDFC Bank, L&T, TCS, Bajaj Finance, Maruti Suzuki. An assignment for all Dr. Bharat Chandra graduates of Stock Market Workshop. Please calculate for those 5 companies SIP payment, the same conditions, the way I have calculated, and find out what money you would have got for having invested 10.5 lakhs. And once you do these calculations, send us by email successdigest@gmail.com. Let me know what is your result. I am expecting large number of you to respond and start working. For those of you who send, I'm going to check first 3 wonderful entries, first 3 correct entries. I am sending one nice ebook as a presentation. How to calculate? For example, in the workshop, we have given you this study material. So my suggestion is, go to the pages of 80 to 90, somewhere it is there. The heading of the chapter is how to calculate profits from investments through SIP monthly basis. All the steps are mentioned, and go to moneycontrol.com, calculate. Friends, if you are not the member of Dr. Bharat Chandra channel, this is the time to become a member. Subscribe button, bell icon, I need not tell you, you know about it. If you like the video, press like button. I don't know how many of you can guess. To do this video, we have done research from morning 10 o'clock up to 6 o'clock in the evening. We were working because we had to calculate all the previous dates and the rate at that particular month of October, etc., etc. I hope you will appreciate our effort in producing this video and press the like button. If you feel that the result of this particular research is amazing, in the comment section type amazing. If all 1,000, 2,000 people type amazing, I feel very happy that you got some benefit out of this video. One more, all those Crorepati Club members, all Dr. Bharat Chandra graduates, continue SIP payments, more specifically SEP payments on a monthly basis, and you'll be amazed at the wealth you're going to create. My final request, send this video by WhatsApp to at least 50 people so that rest of the people will also feel, oh, stock market is quite profitable. Thank you for watching the whole video. Bye-bye.